Morning everyone, I've got a Viro lock from Italy, which I'm going to have a go at opening. It's a bit battered and scratched, this one. I've had it for over a year now. It's been sitting at the bottom of my list of locks I just can't open. I just pick it up every now and then, have a go, but recently I seem to be improving a bit, so I'm going to see if I can open it. That's the bitting on the lock, 5-pin, fairly nice high-low, high-low, high-low stuff. Opens quite well. I'm going to be using Sparrows Tron again, which I got as a single pick rather than as part of the big set, and a turning tool of my own manufacture. So fairly light touch, and off we go. Let's see how we get on. I think on 1. Movement on 2, 3, oh. Full set on 3, 4, I think on 5, let's go back, so counter rotation on 1, 2, brief movement on 2, 3, 4. I think I've overset something, so let's just gently wind the tension back. Okay, that was pin 1 again that's causing problems. Okay, that's good. Pin 3. So, oh. Yeah, I've overset something again. So let's just wind that tension back a bit. Okay, I think I'm going to have to go all the way back to the start. Oh no, knocked out another pin. Yeah, let's go all the way back to the start. Get a good false set going anyway. That's definitely one of the pins, one of the very low pins at the back. Feels like there's one pin still left. Unset, and there we go. It's a bit of back and forth on that one. That's a very satisfying lock to pick. Really am pleased I've actually picked it. Like I said, yeah, I've had it for over a year and I've never been able to open it before now. So, but just shows I'm slowly improving, which is good. And yeah, don't give up, I think is the motto for this one. So thanks everyone for watching, and take care. Bye bye.